In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make eBay listing with multiple sizes. We're going to pick up from an existing draft and add size variations so buyers can choose the option they want directly from a single listing. This is a helpful way to keep your product page organized, especially if you're selling the same item in more than one size. Start by going to eBay and clicking on Sell. Once you're in the seller area, move your cursor over listings to open the menu, then click on Drafts. This will take you to all of your saved listing drafts, where you can continue working on a product you already started. Find the draft you want to edit and click Resume Draft. Once the draft opens, look for the variation section and click into it. This is where you tell eBay that your item comes in different versions, like different sizes. After opening that section, click. Continue to move forward. On the Variations Setup screen, choose Create Your Own. This option lets you manually enter the size names you want to offer. In the field provided, type large, then click Add. That adds the first size option to your listing. Next, click Create Your Own again so you can enter another size. This time type medium and click Add. Now, both size options are included in the variation setup. This is important because each variation needs to be entered separately so eBay can display them properly to shoppers. After both sizes have been added, click Continue. At this stage, eBay may prompt you to associate images with the variations. Click Upload from Computer, then choose the image you want to use. Make sure you select the correct image for the item since clear visuals can help buyers understand exactly what they're purchasing. Even if the sizes look similar, using strong product images makes the listing more professional and easier to trust. Once the image has been uploaded and everything looks right, click Copy and Close. That will apply your variation changes and return you to the main listing flow. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple sizes to your eBay listing draft. Before publishing, it's always a good idea to quickly review the listing and confirm that the variation names appear correctly and that the image uploaded as expected. A clean variation setup helps reduce confusion and can make the buying experience much smoother for your customers. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to create an eBay listing with multiple sizes.